Let's make Cajun potatoes, peppers, onions, and sausage. First, chop up your smoked sausage. Set that to the side. Now, slice up an onion. And set that to the side. Slice a red pepper and slice a green pepper. After you've cut your veggies, dice your potatoes. Season your potatoes with 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, 2 tablespoons of thyme, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Put about 1/4 cup of olive oil and mix well. In a hot pan, pour a little olive oil and saute your smoked sausage. Once you've browned your sausage, remove from the pan and set it to the side. Now pour in your diced potatoes. Saute those for a few minutes. Now throw in your veggies. Mix those veggies in and saute that for a few minutes. Put a lid on and let that simmer on low for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and place your smoked sausage into the pan. Mix in your smoked sausage and you're done. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.